Family, hope you guys are good. This is your guy Karim, the African advisor, with another idea. I'm feeling hot nowadays. I don't know. Dubai is getting cooler, but our office is getting hotter day by day. Stick it. Alright. Anyways, I've got an idea for Rose. Rose, congratulations.
Thank you,
welcome
Mr. Karim. This
to
is
the new
now
world.
my freedom. Oh my
Alright.
God, I'm so excited.
Alright.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Actually, I'm gonna say this in Uganda.
Yeah, please, no problem.
Guys, if you're there, ngagomanyi nti no wakowa drama yenayina kwatagana ku visa bakubye okoyo tambudde okoyo bambi. Please trust Mr. Karim. For me, no one recommended Mr. Karim to me. I just found him on his TikTok. I texted them. I came to their office. He's a calm man. He's a very professional person. You know, when you pay your money to someone and they're like walking the entire process with you, you know, you don't have to remind them